There's a new startup that's making people millions of dollars, and you can do it too. This business model is so simple and easy to replicate that anyone can do it. And the best part is you don't need any money to get started. You've probably heard of the expression, find a problem, solve the problem, and charge money for it. But this is a different type of business model where you don't even have to charge customers directly to make millions. Let me explain. So a few months ago, I was looking for an apartment in a new city. And when I was searching online, I found this one platform that had all the listings from other websites, but also allowed you to book showings with a single click. So I thought this was a really good service, but when I went to the website, I saw this huge price tag. So I couldn't help but wonder who actually pays for this. When I dug deeper, I found out that this company doesn't charge customers. Instead, they charge real estate agents. For example, if you're a real estate agent and you want to access all those listings, you have to pay $30 per month plus 25 cents per showing. And if you want to unlock more features, you have to pay even more. So I thought this business model is brilliant because they don't have to build trust with customers or convince them to pay. They just have to convince real estate agents to pay. But the genius part is that they don't sell access to listings. They sell access to customers. For example, if you want to list your apartment on Zillow, you have to pay $599 up front and $499 per month. But if you want to list it on this platform, it's completely free. And the reason why is because they get paid per showing. So the more showings, the more money they make. And this is the same model that these guys are using to make millions. They simply connect buyers and sellers and make money from each transaction without even charging customers. So here's how much money they're making from each transaction type. If you're a home buyer, they make 2.5% of the purchase price. If you're a home seller, they charge 5%. And if you're a commercial real estate agent, they charge 6%. And the best part is that they don't have any employees or sales teams. Everything is automated. So if you want to start a similar business, here's what you need to do. Find a marketplace where people are willing to pay a percentage for a service. Then build a software that automates the process and charges a small fee for each transaction. For example, if you want to target commercial real estate agents, you can charge them 1% for each property they sell through your platform. And if you get 100 agents to use your platform and they sell 100 properties for a total of $10 million, you would make $100,000 in commissions without even selling anything yourself. This is the easiest way to build a 7- or 8-figure business. And the best part is that it takes less than 10 hours to build. If you want to learn how to build a software in less than 10 hours, stay tuned.